See ya in the Exumas! Woo woo!
Fish hitting the teaser and the other one. Ow!
Go for one of the Intrepid. We now call this island Vinyasa land. There's a lot of bull sharks, so we should have a pretty good fight to get our lunch today.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we enjoy
So we
ourselves.
are headed to the airport in Rock Sound to get the customs and immigration because I flew in and only got 30 days. So I have to go renew it now before we head back to the Exumas. We're going way over there. Alright, so immigration failed because we got in there, it was about 11:30 and they said, well, the guy will be here at 2. So the long dinghy across failed. So instead, we are in here now in Rock Sound to provision before we leave tomorrow for the Exumas and then maybe go back to the immigration office a little later. So we're here with Intrepid. We're gonna leave together tomorrow. See what we can find today.
Are we good on rice and stuff?
Yeah. Babe, do you want Cheerios?
I don't know.
So we went to the liquor store.
And we fully stocked up on some beers. We even got 4 free beers. I'm not sure what happened.
We don't know why.
But we got 4 free beers and tasted some rum.
So who can
Now
complain?
we're ready for the Exumas.
Yep. Well, second time's a charm. And convinced this guy to give me an extension, which he didn't really want to do before the week of my actual date. But still, we're too cute. And I got another 60 days, so now I can stay until May.
See ya in the Exumas! Woo woo! Go for one of the Intrepid. Hey, just as a reminder, remember to reel in your teaser before you reel in the fish. Thanks for the heads up.
Okay.
What in the world was that?
Now we have fish hitting the teaser and the other one. Ow! Well, stay tuned because this is going to be a fishing adventure.
You gonna steer the boat back?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, government barracudas.
Running, surfing downwind here. Alright, so project is done.
And our buddy boat, who we just lent a handline to, got a nice mahi that's in the boat. And so we've reeled in all of our gear because that's all we need. We're not going to take more than we need. Yeah, it's about time to fillet him. He's turning colors. Awesome.
Alright, we just anchored outside of Allan's Key and we are next to, again, yeah.
We did it twice.
And we are next to Wildly Intrepid there. And we're going over to see the mahi that they caught. And then later on we're going to make some sushi.
So here's the man of the hour,
Hey!
the slayer himself.
Good! How are you?
Just, because I didn't really have time before we started getting all gnarly out there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we got
Oh, that's the perfect size.
Yeah, that's amazing.
To like eat for a few days.
Good job!
It was crazy too, man. Like after that one hit, the trailers or the teasers, they were just getting like attacked and attacked.
I'm like reeling that one in quick. And look at your grades.
Yeah, looking good. They're wild, man.
Did you find a salon?
Yeah, I did. I took the salon of autopilot and
With the huge swell.
We kind of went all over the place once the fish got caught.
we were like, yeah, we heard like something. It was staticky on the radio, and then it was like fish or something, and I was like, did she just say they got a fish?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe they got a fish. I don't
Yeah.
know. And then you finally were like, we got it in the boat.
Woo!
So that's all the meat from that huge fish. I don't know how many pounds that would be. 3-4 foot?
Let me feel it. Oh, yep, that's heavy.
Yeah!
Ow.
I am so excited. This is the best moment. We have been dreaming about catching fish ever since we got to the Bahamas. And well, Cory did spear a couple of fish, but this is the biggest fish we've ever caught. And it was in the headline. So right now we're going to be enjoying some tasty sushi and sashimi. I'm so excited.
Thank you both.
You're welcome.
Hey, it was your toughness that brought in the fish today.
Going to see the iguanas.
We are in southwest Allan Key on the Iguana Beach, and these guys must not have been fed in a little while because they're really feisty right now. Here, you gotta get it from me.
Oh no.
I already know, dude.
Oh no.
We're in dinosaur land, I think. It's kind of like a movie scene though. How many like iguanas are running around, and we now call this island Vinyasa land.
Well, we're wildly intrepid. I'm Cory.
And I'm Alex, and we have been sailing for 2 years now,
Yeah.
but not quite a year, about half a year of sailing from Canada to here, the Bahamas, which has been pretty exciting.
It's our first time here in the Bahamas, and it's actually, I guess, you guys are some of our first cruising buddies, so it's been really nice to meet new people and have some friends to cruise with.
Yeah, because everyone is retired with lots of money.
Exactly.
And we're poor on a budget.
And-
yeah, we're both Canadian from Quebec.
Also have the added advantage of having some people that know some stuff about fishing, which is awesome.
Yeah.
So we're actually catching fish now.
I'm glad they're catching fish because then we get to eat their fish.
Exactly.
So it's nice just to
Share
get
and
it,
care.
get rid of it,
Yeah.
eat it fresh, and then go get more.
We made it over to another key in the Allan Keys, and I think there's like a little settlement on here. Woo! That is run down.
Whoa.
So we made it to Highborn Key, like west side of Highborn Key. All right, let's call it southwest.
South side central is what we're now naming this place.
Cornrows. You don't get to say anything valid.
I'm going diving, they're gonna pop right out.
Sailed in here, actually sailed to anchor today, but ended up
Coral head
relocating a little bit. We found a coral head right next to our boat, so yeah, right next to Wiley Intrepid. But yeah, we're super protected from surge and swell and everything, and it's super nice for the easterly winds, so we are happy. Cody, everybody. He was the only one not wanting a drink today.
I wonder why.
I'm glad I don't have proof for why not.
I did enough yesterday for this at the fish celebration party.
Yeah.
Well, we've done some diving. It's been a very good day. We saw some sharks and some awesome fish.
Damn it! Too much pressure.
You had it the other day, I saw it. Failure, okay.
Hold on.
Go, go. So today we're having
Fish
tacos.
Mahi
Take into that one for me.
tacos.
oh yeah, this looks delicious.
Thanks, Alex, again.
Oh yeah.
Very great.
Taking turns, you know, it's kind of fun actually because you don't have to cook every Sunday.
New restaurant every night. When are you gonna cook?
I'm down
All
with
right.
those little hot peppers.
This is so good. Mahi fish tacos, everybody. That's the way to go.
With your chipmunk cheeks. We're going to dive here. We just did it yesterday. There's a lot of bull sharks, so we should have a pretty good fight to get our lunch today. You gotta earn your keep around here. Check out that, compared to Therese too. That's a good one. First lobster that I've ever gotten. Definitely, even though it's lobster, it still attracts some of the sharks. So we ended up hopping out of the water. We had like 5 bull sharks circling us. Yeah, fishing! Too many sharks, so we just started getting out of the water a bit.
How did the fishing trip go?
It's good, but it happened too quick. Lunchtime!
Lunchtime.
Nice.
Alright, made some lobster salad because this guy
I couldn't wait.
caught lobster. How was it?
A big one too.
Yep. Huge. We got some fish that we caught and fried rice, and we're having the ultimate lunch here right now.
There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. Don't say you're ridiculous, you're not even close. Don't wish for indifference, you're not one of